as if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga mention ate it from the back.
So yeah, guys, this is the grocery we bought from Boxer, Shoprite, Food Lovers, and Woolworths. So yeah, I'm gonna do a whole by category, and I hope you will like it. So we're gonna start with the meat. So this is the fish hake from Royal Butchery, and this is a chicken portion from Shoprite. We got vegan meat from Woolworths. So yeah, we got different types of portions and sizes of vegan plants from Woolworths. Yeah, so it's literally bought 2 of each. And yeah, that's the vegan part of the meat. Then we bought turkey chops from Royal Butchery. Bought 3 trays. Really affordable. Then we bought chicken livers from Shoprite. We bought about 5 about them, and then we went to Royal Butchery and got chicken gizzards since we are not pork lovers. Yeah, so now we got cereal. We got Brockhammer cornflakes from Food Lovers. It was 101. We got muesli, all brand, sugar, milk, jungle oats. Yeah. Then we got snacks. We got fruit chutney chips, kettle cuts, cheese flavored chips. We got peanuts from Woolworths. From Woolworths. And then we got some peanuts from Shoprite. And then we got biscuits from Shoprite. Another pair of biscuits, again Top-Bite biscuits from Shoprite. We got a 3 sale of Aquile lychee, pineapple and lemon drinks. We got lemon twist, and then we got ripe and Shoprite juices, and then we got 3 rooibos kind of tea drinks from Woolworths. Yeah, 3 different flavors. Sorry. Then we got Ultramel, Parmalat, and we got some garlic bread. Panini. And then we got cheese snacks. And that's our snacks. Then we got vegan and fruits. So we bought potatoes, 7 kg of potatoes. And then we got 4 types of cabbages. Actually 4. Then we got oranges, and then we got pears, then we got sweet potatoes from Woolworths. Oh, the fruits come from Food Lovers. And then we got onions from Woolworths, another pair from Shoprite. I'm lying, Food Lovers. Yeah, so this is our veggies. Then now we go to the shareable dairy products. So you got from Shoprite baked beans with 10 rand each. This is for the snacks. We got popcorn. Then we got from Boxer 10 packets of sweets for only 38 rand. Then we got mayonnaise from Boxer. We got cheese from Shoprite 119 rand. We got 6 can, and then we got 6 for all add. Got beans, rice. Now we got to the bathroom. Got our toilet paper for the toilet roll for the kitchen. We got 2 packs of washing powder away from Boxer. This was a sale, so 90 rand. And then we got comfort from Clicks. And then pine gel from Shoprite. Coil toothbrush from Boxer. And then we got Listerine from Clicks. And then we got Great from Shoprite. Handy Andy from Shoprite. Satisfaction from Clicks. This is a bath foam. Then we got 3 Sunlight dishwashing liquids from Boxer. Stuff from Clicks. This is bath soap. Then we got refused bags from Shoprite. And then baby wipes from Shoprite. Then we got 2 packs of toilet paper from Boxer. 90 rand both. This is all. So guys, now we're done with that. We're just gonna be packing our meat and let them put in the refrigerator. You see our fridge is already full, but we're just gonna add. Anyway guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you loved the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Love you guys. Mwah.